The manufacturing of weapons. The manufacture of weapons is something that has developed little by little due to the need to defend itself against others, and it has developed little by little, but it was until the First World War that it increased impressively. At the beginning of the First World War, the first planes designed for combat were created. These were rather light planes that carried a repetition weapon in the front. These were called fighter planes. The German army at the beginning of the First War developed the first flamethrowers. At first it was not a very innovative weapon, but a great help since it was something that the French and British did not expect. Later, in 1916, the British Army created what would be the first tanks, armored vehicles difficult to penetrate that would cause a lot of damage to the enemy. Later the grenades arrived, devices that were launched to clear the trenches with a great explosion. True devastation. Shortly after the grenades, with a similar concept came what would be the first chemical weapons. These were accompanied by protection for the carriers, tear gas, which irritates the eyes to prevent you from seeing. A few years after the end of the First War, the Second started, and this was accompanied by new weapons, mainly the bazooka, that consisted of launching an explosion projectile from a distance. Radar was not a weapon as such, but this was a great help in winning battles. It consists of a large antenna that helped detect enemies both by water and by air, and this gave them time to not be taken by surprise. Years later, one of the weapons that brought the Second War to an end was the atomic bomb, which caused a lot of damage due not to the impact, but even more due to the radiation it produced. Currently, weapons have developed impressively, thanks to the implementation of technology in them. Today, a firearm can be activated from a phone and fired by a drone. In conclusion, the production of weapons is something that, like any other things, it has developed due to necessity. But this proves to us that we humans are capable, and also to know how far can we go, where the innovation and the "be the first" play a very important role. Bibliographies